What is up, my fellow gamers? Awesome Gamer 16 here, and welcome back to another video. And today we have got another Fire Volcano video for you guys. As you know, a few years ago, I made a video called Fire Volcano here on the YouTube channel, and I lit off a bunch of fireworks, cebollitas as they're known in Spanish, and I just let them fly, and they made really cool sparks. It made it look like a volcano. So I did that again, but this time the results were a little different. So I'm gonna play the clip in full speed because I actually have multiple of these. I'm gonna play the full clip in full speed, and I'm gonna play it in slow motion for you guys. So I hope you enjoy, and see you at the end of the video. Anyway guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to join Awesome Gamers Kingdom. Twitter, Instagram links probably down in the description. And remember to stay awesome. Peace out.